The Chief Justice of the High Court of Meghalaya, Mr. Justice Ranjit Vasantrao More, inaugurated the permanent court building of Sohra Civil Subdivision, East Khasi Hills on 2nd November 2021 at Sohra. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Justice Ranjit Vasantrao More hoped that with the inauguration of the permanent court building, the court will be able to function more efficiently in providing access to justice by the people, particularly the marginalized section of the society, as per procedures established by law. Stating that justice cannot be confined only to those who can't afford, Justice Ranjit Vasantrao More informed that justice is for everyone and access to justice is one of the primary aim of the state and district legal services authorities. Meghalaya Law Minister Mr. James P.K. Sangma expressed his gratitude to the High Court under the leadership of the Chief Justice, Mr. Justice Ranjit Vasantrao More, for its commendable services to the people and reiterated that the government is committed to strengthen the judicial system in the state. Mr. James P.K. Sangma also appreciated the effort of the officials of the PWD building, Meghalaya, in completing the court building within 3 years, which was constructed at the total cost of Rs 9.38 crores. Others who were present include Meghalaya High Court judges Mr. Justice H.S. Thankyou and Mr. Justice W. Dingdor, Mr. Gavind M. Malim, local MLA, Mr. Balajit K. Sindram, MLA, Mr. N.A. Khan, District and Session Judge, East Khasi Hills, among others.
His Lordship, Chief Justice Ranjit Vasantrao More, the other judges of our Meghalaya High Court, Honorable Justice H.S. Thankyou and Honorable Justice Dingdo, my colleagues from the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, the local MLA of Sohra, Bagavin, and the MLA of Shillong, Babalajit, our Commissioner and Secretary of Law, Cyril Dingdo, the Registrar General of the Meghalaya High Court, ND, our respected Advocate General, Mr. Amit Kumar, all the judicial officers present here from the High Court, from the District Sessions Judge, and also from the state government. A very good afternoon to each and every one of you present here, ladies and gentlemen. It's indeed a great honor and a pleasure for me to be once again gracing such an occasion where we are going forward in what Justice Thankyou had just mentioned about, in terms of making justice accessible to one and all. And it is something that became
No